list appraised value came back at around $75. Okay, let's go shopping for Canary. There's a moment in time that you just say, what the heck, I'm going for it. Okay. You fall in love with a ring or something, a car, a house, something that maybe you weren't expecting to buy. And it may be out of reach from a budgetary perspective, but there are moments in time where we just go for it. A vacation, you know, whatever it is, you know what I'm talking about. Isn't it nice to be able to find something that you don't have to overthink the expenditure and it still meets that need of being that dreamy, wow, I love it. I can't believe it was only $69.95. 300 available, and just I want to show you the details on this. From the side, you can see, again, more gallery work, and there's a reason why that's really important. That is like a sunroof to allow the light to come shining in through the stone. I'm going to flip it and show you the under gallery of the ring as well. And you see on the inside, all of that workmanship is imperative to give you the highest level of scintillation and brightness and fire from your absolutes, which are the equivalent of G Flawless diamonds visually. Now, in the center of your ring is that solitaire of what looks like a vivid yellow canary diamond. For 2 monthly payments at $34.98, this looks like the ring that you would say, that is exactly what I had in mind. 124750 in precious metal. Now, when you see it in the white, on Amy, for example, you can see that it's so bright. All of that white metal surrounding those white stones that look like they're stack rings. And then you have the solitaire. It really does make it look like it's a wedding a whole wedding set with guard rings. Then, I really like this a lot. I'm just saying, if you're thinking about asking someone, I just want to recommend this. And then you have the opportunity to shop for this in the yellow. So as you can see, you can barely tell the difference because the metal is there, loud and clear, but it's so stone intensive. You've got an opportunity right now just to take advantage of your size and whichever color you want in precious metal, vermeil, or sterling. However, they're going fast. Which one is going to be the first to sell out? Look at that. All of those stones that are set. The first will be the sterling silver. And in that sterling silver, which is rhodium plated, you have more precious metal. And the same thing here, it's sterling silver with vermeil, so you have precious metal either way. But when you see all of the beautiful pave workmanship, any other pave rings that you have, this is going to work back to. And you see all that sparkle? That comes from having a clean ring. That comes from having that special quality of your absolute. So I do want to recommend, if we could put on the bottom of the screen, my friend, the Sparkle Sparkle, because it is a highly recommended from this show host, from this graduate gemologist to you, Sparkle Sparkle, to keep your jewelry exactly like this name says, sparkling. So I hope we will be able to give you that information because there is a lot to be said for keeping your jewelry clean properly and easily, and in just seconds your jewelry is back to what looks like it was originally like when you got it out of the box. Seriously, I love this product and I know you will too, so I want to get that to you. I also want to remind you about these hoop earrings. Notice that in between each one of these rows of stones, that is a band of gold, a band of your vermeil, a band of the sterling with the rhodium, and there's just a little bit of mill-grain detailing, almost like a rope-style bezel. It's luscious. 124750. Don't wait on that. What did you say? What did you say when you were at the altar? Did you say I do? Did you say I will? There are different terms that people say. I want to know what you said. What did you say, Daryl? Daryl's my producer. I said I will also. And have you? He has. 124750. 2 months at $34.98. Sterling silver or